Welcome everyone to a new guide video on this channel. In this video I'm going to talk about on how to add in marketplace to your Facebook. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. Now whether your marketplace option is not showing on the shortcuts bar, you can also add it in. Now before you add in this shortcut, you can also check if your Facebook account has or does not have the marketplace option. So just tap on the menu on the top right, and under all shortcuts you'll see an option of marketplace. You can tap on see more and take a look at where the marketplace option is located. If you don't see this marketplace option, that means the marketplace option is not available on your account. So in this case, what you can do is firstly uninstall Facebook from your device, uninstall it and again reinstall and logging in. This sort of helps you in resetting and adding in the marketplace if there is any glitch. So try out that option and see if it works for you. If it does not, the second thing that you can do, or the second thing that you need to know, is that marketplace is not available for people under the age of 18. So if you have added in an age under 18, you can easily change your age on Facebook and add in the marketplace option. If you don't know how you can change your age on Facebook, make sure you check out other videos of our channel. Now the third thing that you need to know is that marketplace is not yet supported on every country. So if your country is not on that list where marketplace is supported, you won't be able to add in the marketplace to your account. So that was the exact video on how to add in marketplace, or some of the reasons why your marketplace may be missing. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel. I'm going to be back with more videos just like this, so make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.